Hello, children. Welcome to our radio learning program for science. This, as you know, is a continuation of our radio program produced by Rwanda Education Board with the support from UNICEF Rwanda. My name is Teacher Gerard, and I will be teaching you Primary 5 Science. This program is organized so that we can make sure that our children keep on learning, especially during this difficult time of coronavirus outbreak. I am so happy to talk to the parents and the guardians, and I want to appreciate you for your meaningful support to the children in assuring that the children are kept safe at home as we safeguard them from the spreading of coronavirus disease. This program and the lessons is free for all of us who are ready to join the children learning. Feel welcome. Children, I would like you to get your pen and notebook for taking notes, doing exercises, and homework. Then sit next to the radio. Tune it to be loud enough and be ready to listen to it keenly. Dear parents, I would like you to be part of the child's learning by moving closer to the children and follow up what they are doing and support them where necessary. Thank you. Now let us stand up to have a warm-up. I am going to sing 2 times as you listen. Then you will join me as we sing for the 3rd time. Listen. Hello, 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 how are you? Hello, 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 how are you? I'm fit. I'm great. I am wonderful. I'm fit. I'm great. I am wonderful. Hello, 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 hello. Hello, how are you? Hello, 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 how are you? I am fit. I am great. I am wonderful. I'm fit. I am great. I am wonderful. Children, can you join me? Let us sing. Hello, 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 how are you? 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 I'm fit. I'm great. I am wonderful. I am fit. I am great. I am wonderful. Great. I love the way you sing, and your voices are so nice, children. Good. Sit down before we start. Now, children, welcome back. Can you remember and write down what we learned about in our last lesson? Can you remember and write down what we learned about in our last lesson? 10 seconds. 10 seconds. Perfect. In our last lesson, we learned about sources of water and properties of water. Can you again write down the two categories of sources of water? 10 seconds. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. The two categories of the sources of water are natural sources of water and man-made sources of water. Is that right, my friends? Great. Our lesson of today is rainwater. May you write that one at the top of your notebook. Rainwater. That is what we want to talk about. Rainwater. Rain. Do you know rain? Yes. Now my question is, what happens to water sources like rivers and streams when there is no rain? Tell me. Perfect. The streams will dry up and the rivers will have little water. Write that one down. Parents, check on that. The streams will dry up and the rivers will have little water when there is no rain. That one tells us that rain is the main source of water. Rain is the main source of water. Rainwater fills oceans. It fills the lakes. It fills the rivers. The rain that you see, sometimes we just see rain in the evening, sometimes in the morning when we are coming to school. We take our umbrellas either in the car or we walk, but we feel that the rain is too much. That rain is the source of water. If it is not there, we will not have streams. We will not have rivers. The lakes will dry up and we will have no water bodies. Do you understand? Yes. So rain is very, very important. We are going to see about rainwater. Now, rainwater is very, very important. Rain falls and the rainwater fills the oceans, the lakes, and rivers. Do you understand? Good. Welcome back, dear children. Now, let us talk about water cycle. Write that one down. Water cycle. Water cycle. This is a continuous process. Write that. Water cycle is a continuous process by which water moves from the land to the atmosphere and back to the land again. What do we mean? Water moves from the land to the atmosphere and back to the land again. How? Now listen, my friend. The cycle involves processes such as evaporation, transpiration, condensation, and precipitation. I am going to repeat and I will spell. The cycle involves processes such as evaporation. E V A P O R A T I O N. Evaporation. Another process, transpiration. T R A N S P I R A T I O N. Transpiration. Another process, condensation. C O N D E N S A T I O N. Condensation. The last process is precipitation. P R E C I P I T A T I O N. Precipitation. My friends, the cycle involves processes such as evaporation, transpiration, condensation, and precipitation. Is that clear, my friends? Wow! Let us stand up and stretch our limbs a bit. When I say do this with water, you repeat by saying the action 3 times while throwing your legs and hands sideways and everywhere you will like in the room. For example, when I say walk around the room, you respond by saying walk, walk, walk. Is that clear? Perfect. Now, this is the work. Wash your hands. Wash, wash, wash. Drink some water. Drink, drink, drink. Clean with water. Clean, clean, clean. Cook with water. Cook, cook, cook. Bathe with water. Bathe, bathe, bathe. Plant with water. Plant, plant, plant. Wow! Can we do it again? Yes. Wash your hands. Wash, wash, wash. Drink some water. Drink, drink, drink. Clean with water. Clean, clean, clean. Cook with water. Cook, cook, cook. Bathe with water. Bathe, bathe, bathe. Plant with water. Plant, plant, plant. That is wonderful. Let us get back to our seats. Now, children, evaporation is the change of liquid water to vapor, which is called gas. Evaporation is the change of liquid water to vapor, that is gas. Transpiration is the loss of water from plant leaves in form of vapor. When plants lose water through their leaves, that one is called transpiration. Condensation is the change of water vapor to liquid water. Condensation is the change of water vapor to liquid water. Precipitation are all forms of water vapor condensed in the sky. They fall down on earth as rainfall, snow, or hail. Now, evaporation. Sometimes from the rivers, the lakes, and the oceans, when the sun is too hot, water boils, and some water particles, they go outside and above the waters. They go into the atmosphere. That one is called evaporation. Called what? Great. Evaporation. Then, when there is a lot of sun heat on plants, plants tend to lose some water. Very early in the morning, you have ever seen that there are some water droplets on grass or on the plant leaves. Those ones are water that is lost through transpiration. That water, when it escapes as water vapor into the atmosphere, it will go and join other evaporated water. Then up there, the vapor will go through a process that is called condensation. Now, the change of water vapor to liquid water is called condensation. They will move close together, then they will come back to liquid water. That is condensation. Then they will go through a process called precipitation. This precipitation, all the forms of vapor, once they have condensed together, they will now fall back as rain. Now they will fall back as rain. Very good. Children, rain is good and sometimes it is bad. Yes, rain is good, but sometimes it is bad. Do you understand? Yes. Effects of rainwater. Effects of rainwater. 1. Before, we saw good things that we do with water. But now, look at this, and I want you to write them down. Positive effects of rainwater. That is good things from rainwater. Rainwater is used at home for drinking, cooking, and cleaning. Number 2, rainwater helps plants to grow. Number 3, rainwater cools the earth. Number 4, when it is dusty, rainwater helps to settle the dust. Do you understand? Wonderful. Now, children, can you think of some of the negative effects of rainwater and write them down? The negative effects of rainwater and write them down. Very, very, very good. I like that. The negative effects of rainwater include too much rainwater causes floods and landslides. Number 2, too much rainwater causes soil erosion. Number 3, when there is too much rainwater, waterborne diseases tend to emerge and spread. Number 4, too much rain can destroy infrastructure. It will break down our houses, our roads, our telephone lines, and electric lines. The last, too much rain disrupts people's activities. Have we understood? Wonderful. How does it disrupt people's activities? When it is rain, 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 every now and again rain. Oh, we cannot go to the garden. Oh, we cannot go to class. Oh, we cannot go to school. And therefore, our activities will be stopped. Do you understand? Right. Now, my friends, as we finish, I would like you to refer to your textbook, page 95. Read the story to help you understand more about rainwater. Parents, make sure you always check on the activities that the children are assigned to do and support where necessary as you keep them safe at home. Children, until we meet again in the next lesson, bye-bye.
Goodbye, 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 teacher. Goodbye, children. See you next time. Goodbye, 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 teacher. Goodbye, children. See you next time.